And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to add a motion blur in Premiere Pro. You'll find the footage via the description link below. It's just a dog running. And we want to add a little bit of a motion blur to it. The easiest way to do it is just to go to the effects panel and type in echo. So this is the effect that we need. You'll find it under video effects and time. Just drag and drop it on your footage. Make sure that the footage is selected and then go to your effect controls, and there's the echo. You can see it affects the brightness. So let us change the echo operator to screen. It fixes most of it, but depending on the intensity and decay, you can see that right here, the brightness is affected as well. So make sure to play around with the intensity and decay first. Number of echoes, we only want to have one. The more you have, obviously the more abstract the effect becomes. And the echo time, in this example, let me use a high value, maybe 0.2, so that we can see the effect very clearly. You might even want to go down with it when you use it in your regular videos, but I overdo it here a little bit so that you can see properly. And that's it. Just render it. It takes some time, obviously, depending on your CPU power. I'll speed this video up and then I'll show you the full clip. And here's the dog running with the motion blur effect. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.